Are we about to witness the biggest shift in drone technology this year? The DJI Avata 360 has quickly become one of the most talked about drones of 2026. For months, there were only scattered leaks, regulatory filings, and blurry images. No official launch, no announcement, just silence. But now, the picture is finally coming together, and it looks like DJI is preparing something far more ambitious than expected. First, let's clear the confusion. The Avata 360 is real. This isn't a concept or an early prototype. Real-world photos surfaced late last year, followed by promotional materials appearing online. More importantly, regulatory approvals confirmed that the drone has already passed key safety and performance tests. That means production is complete. So why hasn't DJI launched it yet? The delay comes down to strategy and perfection. One major factor is competition. The 360 drone space is heating up fast, especially with rivals like Insta360 pushing aggressive innovation. Instead of rushing to market, DJI appears to be taking extra time to refine the Avata 360 and ensure it launches with a clear advantage. But the bigger challenge isn't hardware, it's software. This drone isn't just another FPV model. It combines high-speed FPV flight with full 360-degree video capture. That means real-time stitching, massive file processing, smooth mobile editing, and reliable sharing workflows. If any part of that experience feels unfinished, it could hurt DJI's reputation. So the company is focusing on delivering a polished ecosystem from day one. Global regulations are another piece of the puzzle. While certifications are already in place, launches often happen region by region. Current leaks suggest Asia could see the Avata 360 first, with a broader global rollout expected shortly after. Now let's talk pricing. Reports indicate the base version could start around $500 globally. That entry model would include the drone and a single battery, designed for intelligent autonomous flight with features like subject tracking, gesture control, voice commands, and even smartwatch connectivity. For serious creators, higher-end bundles are expected. Versions with advanced controllers, FPV goggles, and extra batteries could range from $700 to nearly $1,000, offering full manual control and extended shooting capability. But the real headline feature is the camera. The Avata 360 is rumored to use dual lenses to capture everything above and below the drone, creating seamless 8K immersive footage. AI-powered stitching allows creators to reframe shots after filming, giving total creative freedom. Leaks also point to high-resolution stills, transmission ranges up to 20 kilometers, and flight times around 25 minutes. However, this isn't a beginner drone. Between FPV flying and 360 content editing, the Avata 360 is clearly designed for experienced pilots and professional creators who want cinematic control and immersive storytelling. If the leaks are accurate, this could mark a new era for aerial content, blending speed, immersion, and flexibility in a way we haven't seen before. And if DJI gets the timing right, the Avata 360 might not just enter the market. It could redefine it.